नमस्कार, मैं हूं सौरभ। आज रिया चक्रवर्ती से सीबीआई की पूछताछ खत्म हो गई। कल 10 घंटे, आज 7 घंटे, यानी कुल मिलाकर 2 दिनों में 17 घंटे सवाल जवाब। रिया ने सीबीआई को क्या बताया, ये बात आपको सूत्रों से पता चलेगी, लेकिन हम आपको एक एक्सक्लूसिव टेप सुनाते हैं। इस टेप में सुशांत सिंह राजपूत की आवाज है, रिया की आवाज है। इस टेप में क्या नहीं है? इस टेप में रिया पैसों के बारे में बात कर रही हैं, सुशांत फिल्में छोड़ने के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, रिया पैसों की प्लानिंग कर रही हैं, सुशांत फैंसी कार बेचने की बात कर रहे हैं, रिया सुशांत की बहन का मजाक उड़ा रही हैं, जबकि इस टेप में सुशांत अपनी एक एक पाई का हिसाब जोड़ रहे हैं। ये टेप सुशांत की मिस्ट्री की सबसे बड़ा सबूत माना जा रहा है, जो इस वक्त सीबीआई के पास है और इंडिया टीवी के पास है। टेप का एक एक शब्द आप गौर से सुनिए।
Yeah, and I'm still telling him 1-2 months later we can get to the, if you're like very certain.
Like take my advice. You're not at the stage that you start disposing of assets. I will tell you. I am, as much as I like you, I will tell you if it's a truth that is going to pinch. You don't need to do it right now. Certainly don't go and buy a new car. प्रियंका ने बोला ही नहीं करना है।
खरीद ही लो। अरे मुझे BMW चाहिए।
We have to stop.
यार मुझे एक ब्लैक कॉफी दे दे।
Spending as soon as possible.
Give me the
All
cards.
the things.
Give me the cards. I keep them with me if you want to. He's really not.
He's pushing
He
me
called me last Sunday also. No, back to back. बस
वो तो इंडिया छोड़ के जा रहा था ना, उसके पीछे कोई केस वगैरह है। वो भागा जब उसको पता चला प्रियंका इज कमिंग, उसको लगा लॉयर है, रन आउट ऑफ द हाउस। बेस्ट इज हियर अ केस ऑन हिम विद CBI गुजरात। सो आई टोल्ड श्रुति तो उनको ही फोन कर। आई कॉल्ड देम, शी कॉल्ड देम एंड दे सेड कि नहीं अब तो हम नहीं आ सकते, अब हम अगली बार आएंगे तो फोन करेंगे आपको। So we have 2 cards here. One is a small card, one is the larger one. Larger one is his, that has a 5 lakh limit, and a smaller one has a 50 grand limit.
Saying what can we do to just ensure that I stop spending money that I should not spend?
We have this list of expenses that you incur every month, right? Right from this house to employees to cars to everything. And currently the status of this corpus, assuming there's no further income, it's difficult or impossible rather to even sustain that kind of expenditure. So you'll need to cut down whichever can be cut down immediately and start saving money.
So this house probably, but since it's a new lease license and he has a deposit, maybe we'll have to speak to the.
we can speak and get out of it.
We can speak and get out of
to
it.
get out of it. We get out of it. Maybe we.
But I was just saying, for that call to happen, for the decision to happen, maybe in a month we can start talking to the owner.
Yeah, and I'm thinking, don't think कि हमारा lock in है, अभी हट नहीं सकते हैं. If it's money that is pinching our pocket, we'll find a way to cut it out.
Yeah. Correct. So this is the first goal, is this money. Like whatever money he has, invested in a way that he gets some returns.
So that I know that this is the amount.
This is the amount he's getting every month, and he can plan accordingly to give up this house.
I don't mind going to a green secluded place like Goa or stay.
तो ये टेप आपने सुना, आपको बता दें ये टेप सुशांत सिंह राजपूत के घर में बना था। ये बातचीत जो हो रही है इसमें सुशांत हैं, रिया के भाई शौविक हैं, श्रुति मोदी हैं, इसके अलावा रिया के पिता इंद्रजीत चक्रवर्ती भी इस बातचीत का हिस्सा थे, ये भी पता चला है। ये बातचीत इसी साल जनवरी में रिकॉर्ड हुई। सुशांत सिंह राजपूत का जन्मदिन 21 जनवरी को होता है और उससे कुछ दिनों पहले ये बातचीत हुई थी। इसको रिकॉर्ड करना खुद सुशांत सिंह राजपूत चाहते थे। इसमें बातें हो रही हैं सुशांत सिंह राजपूत के फिल्मों के छोड़ने को लेकर। सुशांत ये कहते हैं कि वो सारी जिंदगी अब फिल्में नहीं कर सकते, वो सारी जिंदगी एक्टिंग नहीं कर सकते, इसीलिए उन्होंने अब तक जो कुछ कमाया है वो उसको इन्वेस्ट करके उससे जो कुछ उनको रिटर्न्स मिलेंगे उसके बूते पर जीना चाहते हैं। वो ये भी कहते सुनाई देते हैं कि मैं किसी ग्रीन प्लेस पर जाना चाहता हूं। उसके बाद पावना डैम की बात उनसे कही जाती है कि वहां जाकर के वो रह सकते हैं। तो सुशांत सिंह राजपूत मुंबई छोड़ना चाह रहे थे, फिल्मों से ब्रेक लेना चाह रहे थे, वो कुछ दिनों के लिए शहर से दूर कहीं जाकर बसना चाहते थे। और इतना ही नहीं, वो अपनी रिटायरमेंट की प्लानिंग कर रहे थे। उन्होंने आज तक जीवन में जो कुछ कमाया था उसको इस तरीके से सहेजना चाहते थे, इन्वेस्ट करना चाहते थे कि अगर वो लंबे अरसे तक काम ना भी करें तो उनको किसी और के ऊपर निर्भर ना रहना पड़े। रिया चक्रवर्ती भी उसमें ये बातें कहती सुनाई देती हैं कि खर्चा कम करने के लिए घर खर्च कम करना पड़ेगा, मकान की लीज है उसके लिए बात करनी पड़ेगी मकान मालिक से। और सुशांत भी इस बात को लेकर कुछ चिंतित नजर आते हैं कि खर्चा बहुत हो रहा है, खर्चे को कम करो। ये बात जब आप ये पूरा टेप सुनेंगे आगे आपको उनके मुंह से बार बार सुनाई देगी। सुनिए अगला हिस्सा।
At this point in time, I just wanted a request, a favor for us. And how should we just close save all the money, do it in a way that I
talked about a worst case scenario yesterday, and
Yes.
that was a worst case thing that we discussed.
Yeah, because here I'm fighting my mind, so
Yeah.
that's probably the worst case.
So the worst case
I can ever see.
which generally happens when we do worst case cases is having a private trust set up.
I just want to know how this trust thing functions. I mean, I have no idea. I'm a layman.
Right. So you're creating a child. You're giving birth to an entity in which there will be set rules and regulations, and which will be defined that this is how the trust will function. And it's a private trust because it's for the benefit of a certain set of people.
Say that Riya and Shruti are the trustees, okay? And then the third party is the beneficiary. Who is the beneficiary of the trust? Say in this case it will be him, right? Now the law demands that trustees can only act in a fiduciary position, means in a position of trust. So they have been put in charge that, okay, this is the asset that the settler brought in. You have to just administer this. It's not a transfer of ownership, okay? So the trust doesn't become the trustees don't become the owners, right? They are only like guardians or gatekeepers, or they're watching a certain property, and they have to make sure that they use the assets, whether it's money, whether it's property, in a manner that is always in the highest and best interest of the beneficiary. So a lot of times you'll see that parents actually set it up for their children. Beneficiary, yeah, the settler can be
And later on, if you're not happy with the role of the trustees,
there is a provision. There's a Trusts Act, and you have lots of legal remedies.
I have another question. Now, for example, if we have, say, 10 rupees that has to go in this trust, and suppose you want to make an FD or a mutual fund of it, that still the trustees can.
The trustees will decide what is best.
Will
decide what is best to be done.
Which has a better return rate and which less risky. And you can define all that. It can be a simple or a huge document.
We have seen cases where it has always been a part of the lifestyle. This my bonus. So in that state, I don't think acting is something that I would be able to do. Number one. Number two, I don't still know which other economic structure I can get into. So in some sort of a way, I mean, like it's 50-50. It's not that we can be confident that I can come back and...
But that you let us decide. No, you're deciding all this for yourself.
No,
let us decide something.
All the doctors and everything that we have been discussing this last 2 months, homework of 2.5 months.
Tell me, what is the worst fear? Is
So
the
the
fear
end-
that
no,
we're going to run out of, we're not going to have any
So
financial
I'll
stability?
tell you. So I've definitely wanted in a way that if, for example, tomorrow I'm not there, or Shruti's not there, or Miranda's not there, and there are newer people who are just there. If someone gets his card, so firstly, the first thing I told them is to start making everything in FDs.
Right.
Which is why they must have called you frantically.
Right.
Just put all his money in FDs. So in the card, there should not be more than 10-15 lakhs at any given point. That's one thing. Second thing is that money that he has, so that we can get some interest from it, so he doesn't start eating into his savings in the best case possible that you all can come up with.
Right.
And to safeguard his money in a way where only without his signature nothing can happen, like to break an FD.
But that too, anyway, it won't
That will happen.
Won't
See, that
happen.
that's already in place.
Move from city
To a smaller, yeah, you have probably have that place.
either their place or
Something else that-
something like that.
Or like there's a thought that Goa maybe, but that suggested that be in Patna for some time, see that, then first see Goa. Give it like 1 or 2 months before we finally decide that. But overall, he
And on the
wants
one
to
hand,
feel
if you're having this
safeguarded.
conversation to be conscious of finances, then let's not add to that also, right? Leave and license. Then
1
you
year.
want to burden him with
I told her that give it 5-6 months here initially with Pablo, because you have the place.
And we're paying rent and it's
And
not
then
that
you go to Goa and see
compared
if you
to what
want.
we have
for a
here.
month.
Yeah.
I was saying that it's too expensive.
Which one?
The Pavna place, for Pavna standards, it may be expensive,
Yeah, for
but
Pavna
for the
standards,
property,
it's
and
It's
he
fine.
seems to be enjoying it. And it's made well. There's like a river also close by, right? You have
lake.
access to the
The
lake.
There's a problem.
No,
There's some
acres.
leaves.
It's even licensed.
See, he's thinking of the future. Like he's worried about the future, and he wants that kind of safeguard
Yeah.
that you know.
I'm saying let's treat it as a something like a retirement thing.
I understand.
So how will I do it? I just want help.
Yeah, so that,
See, right now
that
he
steps
only had his
will be-
money open.
Yeah.
Few FDs have been made now, and
Yes.
some are in mutual funds, and some are still open.
It was badly managed
To be
earlier.
honest,
बातचीत का ये जो आपने हिस्सा सुना, इसमें दो तीन बहुत अहम बातें होती हैं। शुरुआत में जब सुशांत इसमें आपको बोलते हुए सुनाई देते हैं तो वो ये कहते हैं कि जो कुछ मेरे साथ हो रहा है ये जिंदगी भर के लिए लाइफस्टाइल का हिस्सा भी हो सकता है। शायद वो जिस दौर से गुजर रहे थे या उनकी जो मेंटल कंडीशन थी वो उसकी बात कर रहे थे। और उसके बाद वो कहते हैं कि इस हालत में मैं जिंदगी भर एक्टिंग नहीं कर सकता, इसीलिए मैं चाहता हूं कि एक रिटायरमेंट किस्म का प्लान मेरे लिए बनाया जाए। मेरे पास जो कुछ भी है उसको इन्वेस्ट कर दिया जाए। ट्रस्ट बनाने की बात होती है। अब जो ट्रस्टी होंगे वो उसको मैनेज करेंगे, उस पैसे को बेनिफिशियरी सुशांत होंगे, लेकिन फर्ज करें कि उसमें कहा गया कि जैसे रिया या श्रुति उसके ट्रस्टी हो सकते हैं जो देखेंगे कि उस पैसे को या उस संपत्ति को कैसे इन्वेस्ट करना है और मैनेज करना है। रिया ये कहती हैं कि म्यूचुअल फंड में पैसा लगाया जा सकता है। रिया बताती हैं कि एफडी करनी चाहिए, हमने अब एफडी करी है सुशांत के पैसों की। रिया कहती हैं कि एक ऐसा कार्ड होना चाहिए जिसमें 10-15 लाख रुपए से ज्यादा कभी ना रहे। अगर वो कल को सुशांत की जिंदगी में नहीं रहती हैं या श्रुति या मिरांडा नहीं रहते हैं, कोई नई टीम या नए लोग आ जाते हैं तो वो उस कार्ड का दुरुपयोग ना कर पाए। ये सब बातें कहती हुई रिया चक्रवर्ती भी सुनाई देती है। लेकिन एक बात बिल्कुल साफ है, सुशांत सिंह राजपूत जिस भी दौर से गुजर रहे थे, उनकी जो भी मनोस्थिति रही हो, जो भी उनकी मेंटल कंडीशन रही हो, इतना साफ था वो फिल्मों से ब्रेक लेना चाहते थे, वो मुंबई से बाहर जाना चाहते थे और वो अपनी रिटायरमेंट के बारे में सोचने लगे थे। आपको सुनाते हैं इसी बातचीत का अगला हिस्सा।
We have to stop
यार मुझे एक ब्लैक कॉफी दे दे।
spending as soon as possible.
give me the
in all
cards.
the things.
Give me the cards. I keep them with me if you want to spend.
There are no for any other expenses but the house functioning and the staff costs.
Right.
Which I told him for 1 or 2 months, let it be as it is till you guys come up with a plan, until he's certain that this is not a phase, but this is only how he feels now and it's not functional at all.
Yeah.
We'll give that 1-2 months,
Yeah.
and then we can start disposing of assets and reducing stuff. So that's why I told him give it 1 or 2 months more and see the life in Pavna, and then decide.
I'm helpful with putting it in a
Any
bunch
money
of different
that
places.
we have taken. For which
Have we
to
taken
show.
any signing amounts from any
We've
brands?
taken signing amounts. From Titan we've taken from
renewal
Sony
के लिए
Lex,
ना?
yes.
That we know.
So he's feeling like he can't shoot those.
Titan or
Ads.
call
But Titan का
Sony
कुछ
Lex, उस
deliverable
दिन जो
नहीं है
मिलके
ना.
गए थे उनसे ले लिया
Titan
है.
has just taken an extension to use the same image, so I don't think we have any commitment to shoot anything.
No, it's an extension
give
for one day
social
shoot.
media. Oh,
One
there
day
is-
shoot.
there's one day.
There's one day
Correct,
shoot.
correct.
So they've been asking us for a date post 24 Jan. We've been postponing it in terms of send us creatives first, then we'll give you dates.
I was
Good
telling
day,
him,
when
I was
you're
telling him,
March
make hay while this month here is there. Whatever few endorsements, at least do it. Add more to the
But he
kitty.
should be able to do it.
But he should be able to do it. Exactly.
If he was
No,
able
it's
to
his
do it,
call.
he would.
Ultimately.
इससे नहीं हो रहा है तो नहीं हो रहा है.
Yeah, one ये तो है बाटा we've done it but we've not picked up monies yet. Yeah,
that
there is
also
Dil Bechara ka pending payments, but that is okay. If we don't do promotions, we don't get that leg of payment.
What else?
There's nothing
What is
pending.
the other one that you said? We did Titan. There's
We
Bata.
did- and Sony Lex.
Sony Lex.
Sony Lex, we've got the money.
Actually, once we have he has a clearer idea of his financial thing, how it's invested. He will feel much more.
At peace.
Just 2 days. no,
That's
I was
all.
literally going to say, give us 2
2
days.
days.
But give it 2 days. Let us think. See, there's no point going to the bank and saying, चलो ये पूरा इसमें ट्रांसफर कर दो, अभी आप जैसे मैनेज करना है करो.